One rose a rose. I want to put you in this barrel. I want to ship you off.
You know, so me get 3 barrels a day, but them empty.
Empty? From where?
Foreign.
From foreign?
Yes.
Far in.
We're in.
We're in. Yeah. So it's far. You want another one that's empty? Make it 4.
I have enough.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Hello, I'm back home. Everything finished? Can I get chickpea double? Alright, let me get 2 of them please. Look who's here, look who's this. Hello. What's up, you just reached?
No, you've been here.
Oh, where's Ava's here?
Sitting in the corner. No, I haven't seen you for all day.
Because they're tapping to reach us here. Alright? Alright, cool. Yeah. Hey, wanna reach yes,
the last time we talked to her. The last time we talked to her, she did it on Monday.
Yeah, last time I spoke to her as well. Just reached a while ago. I'll come check it out, Alright. How you doing?
It was taking me to the college.
Yes,
I found the money and I bought a whole lot of stuff.
Where you buy?
Blood cancer.
Oh.
Yeah. Also, that's something.
I'm taking her around there now.
Also, this is just one thing. She doesn't have a back.
Alright, come in. Sun stuff there.
One Akeynote channel.
Big up my channel.
Like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Akeynote TV. You see me I say watch her. In a real life, you see Akeynote. A whole heap of customer Akeynote bring to me. For the YouTube. No joke. No cap. One Akeynote. Them youth are promote me. I don't know him from nowhere. But just the people are forward to me and I say, yo, you see up on Akeynote channel. So I say, respect Akeynote.
Yeah man, big up.
See my brother,
yeah man,
you see say you have your charity thing.
Yeah.
And enough blogger nah give back. Akeynote real youth, Akeynote give back. Real youth.
Big up, brother.
Enough love, yeah brother?
Big up, yeah man.
That's Carol over there.
Oh, is Carol over there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay. Carol! How you doing? Night everyone, night. You good? I'm bringing her to see Yaya. Yeah. I'll be back, right?
Yeah.
Alright then.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk around and come back. Yeah.
Son, so connect, yeah?
They say you fall late, get everything shell out. Watch
Everything.
out, show the people them say, watch out now.
Everything finished.
Akeynote promote the thing,
Wow.
look. Akeynote promote the thing, make the thing sell
Is
out.
this vegan?
Yes. One Akeynote channel.
Yeah.
That is it.
So that's all left?
Yeah, that's all left. You want a wrap? I can make a
Make her up.
some plant and something.
Yeah, make her up for me then, at least.
Yeah?
Yeah. Alright, back. You right? It's been a while. 7.
Oh my god!
7.
Oh my god! I have to get out! Oh no! Oh no!
7. One Yaya.
Oh no!
And a good while back? Okay.
I was supposed to pick up some stuff from you, but my friend
Yes.
got one in your hand.
Melissa,
Hey, what you
what's
doing?
up?
Stranger?
Yeah.
What you bring back from Canada for me?
I bring doubles.
Huh?
I bring doubles.
Doubles? Doubles of
I saw Paul.
Canada. I want good things from Canada. We want Canada right on it.
Yeah.
There you are. I put the numbers on it, you hear?
Thank you very much.
So 1, 2, 3 is on it.
Francis, I am very sorry.
When is the thing that I'm putting back for you?
Yeah. Aim some Mel.
I came to very sorry.
I know that.
So you get the percentage. You get the percentage.
When I get the percentage, I'll look out
Get
for
you
it.
little gift, not to worry.
Yeah.
cause.
She didn't send anything extra to me.
Okay.
Yeah. So what you have for the
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
like, anything, I'm supposed to give you a plate.
I mean, well, guys. Well, it's been a while. I'm back. I am back at the night market and I'm late. They're packing up.
What you need today?
I need my lily
Okay.
and my skin cream
Okay, anything else?
and my coffee cream.
Alright, coffee's out until next week. But I have you stored in the tea.
Okay.
Coffee's out. You want a little bit topped up or you want it regular?
Yeah, man, I want it top up like mobile phone. We back on the ground with Melissa. We're out the snow and in the sun.
Yes, and also in the rain, because some
And in the
people still
rain.
go through some rain, you know?
Yeah, out the snow and in the rain. After the storm, there must be a calm. Guys, and I'm here to get all of them good things right now. I need to get back on this. And yeah, over here.
Right now, Mrs. Split up, right?
Back here. We're back here.
Man, we're back and then, you know, it's been a while.
So yeah, where you for me like, it's been a while I haven't, you know.
You know, a long time you don't do no cleansing.
No,
Yeah, man, now you go out foreign and thing, more you
cleanse back.
clean out, coming on, where you go there, go eat.
You know, we try the seafood, but we eat healthy. My aunt, she feed me well, you know.
Nice. Well, as I say, as long
Yeah,
as
she spoil me.
well, as I say, me hope I not spoil you.
Yeah, but you know, no, out there sometimes when I go to restaurant, we eat the other, you know,
And you
seafood.
go to Rome and
yeah.
you know,
I
and I
know.
have to do what the Rome do.
Get all the heavy metals out of my system right
You
now.
have to get rid of them things there with
Get
your
off the
system.
heavy metal. So,
Any parasites, so you might pick up on down the road.
yes,
Get
true.
rid of those as well. So, I'll hook you up with the detox.
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 Oh, yeah.
You know, myself, I'm gonna make you go and do the cellular there. So the colon cleanse.
Yeah,
More you do a colon cleanse with it. Fine.
colon cleanse. You do so guys, yeah, I have to do a colon cleanse. So yeah, that's one thing for sure. Colon cleanse is one thing.
Alright, so get that colon cleanse.
Stone crusher.
Get the stone crusher. It's a more you clean the blood up.
Oh my
Blood
You didn't get
purifier.
blood purifier last week?
No. I just say
Maybe one
cellular. Okay, so no, Never finish.
This is powerful.
Ah, man, that's my girl.
Yeah. Oh, there.
Can't complain.
Well, can't complain, especially when we see otherwise.
Yeah, man.
Real.
The purifier.
And the original
The roses.
No, this is a blood purifier. Clean up the blood, you know. So you have your dandelion, burdock, the china root.
I think so. That's a bit, man.
Your mama knows I know the thing.
Yeah, man.
So what else I'm getting now?
That's a bit.
You think? Nice one.
But I'm gonna need the rest of the stuff them as well, to the dark chocolate, the guinea extract.
And the guinea, I'm gonna show me how the guinea, but it's the chocolate.
Exactly.
Yeah. A size there for 4.
I want to ding you.
Why 7? 7 I bring a hat for you and I forgot it. So it's at home in the suitcase, okay? A
What?
nice hat.
What kind of color is it?
Red.
A blue, you get the 7
I don't like
You
red.
like red?
No.
Red is not your color.
No.
Oh man.
Dark blue is my color.
Oh no, I know. My apology, okay? Oh, Seven, oh my god. I'm sorry, okay, Seven? Yeah, it says blue. So here, from Mail, I got the King of the Forest soap. She said it's for the face. You know, get it smooth and keep all the bumps away, right? Keep the bumps away.
Yeah, definitely. So that's King of the Forest. It's for liver spot or any kind of detox you want to detox the skin. That's for it. And then we have one neem oil that we apply, and neem is for dark spots. So and
Orange only like this. Orange is bright.
7 now give me no time, you know, 7 just happy. Alright, 7 orange is bright. And this is neem oil, and then you have your lily butter. But the good thing about neem for eczema, just the same, it's really good for eczema or any kind of sensitivity with skin. And then this is your shea butter, and I topped it up with natural oils, so now you're smelling real good. So you don't need no perfume with this now, you're pretty good.
No perfume
No
with that.
perfume with that. But bag you up.
Just bag me up. I don't know about here from you know I'm getting this.
See, good shot. Yeah, get that.
A small chocolate.
Small. Come in, me have a couple big ones that can. Look like them that get left.
Get left.
You get, yeah.
And Noonie plus. Give me the Noonie what me always get.
Yeah.
That's finish.
All this,
So I get a small chocolate. So no more. What about more? More? More. One more.
One more today. No, that's no problem.
I forgot to tell them the list one mega one. So that's what the problem.
Yeah, so I meant to call you.
Yeah, but I call you. Because me tell you say the nurses them want something as well before them leave.
I have a 9 nights for the and to drop out, so bring some egg to juice.
Yeah.
She said herself going down to Amsterdam.
Okay.
So when the nurse has
Suppose you got children or?
And them leave now. Some of them leave her to right here. She was one, you know. She was one of them as well too. And you saw Sparling already, the short one.
Yeah.
And Ava.
You want dark or light?
Which one is better, dark or light?
Well,
From me I will go for the dark.
yeah, dark is more fermented.
I think that's
So say anything in the dark must come in the light. So I'm gonna stick to the dark.
Well, everything came from dark.
Yes, everything came from darkness. So work with the darkness.
Work with the dark.
I said no more, I can't find no more.
More, but
serve for a whole month.
Friday you get
Yeah.
go ahead and another one.
Yeah.
And it's 180.
I have no guinea extract.
That too. I'll get
That
that
too.
Friday.
But a lot of children.
It look like my left
They were most disheartened.
I should replace the lockdown, my left and most things. When in the bag, yeah.
So there was never a
I
time.
don't, children remote.
Dandelion.
They have no time to
Or the extract that.
themselves. They're not talking. You know, I remember Mr. McNair probably never come across. So people are not really having the conversation.
Most of the time we're up on the ground zero. Go and
Yeah.
So people still mention,
So which one did you take first? The colon cleanser.
colon cleanser money first.
we can just help
One
them
drink,
to
that's
say,
it.
One drink.
yeah, we have the children and to probably help them to go to vision board. What's it?
One drink.
And this after 4 hours after my last meal?
Yeah.
December 4.
Okay.
something for them to go back into
We
their
can
home,
deal with this
right?
tomorrow. 4 hours after the last meal.
Started looking at the content. Asking to donate money.
Yes. What they call it there.
The home.
I hear 5,000 homes.
And then after the blood stay for every morning.
Every morning.
Just now.
Every morning. 2 a day. 2 a day. More a cup.
I hope it will work out then.
It always works out.
It does.
So one of this,
It's just like
clean up all the walls then right now.
That's
Really rubber man, the parasites.
Yeah, look at the worm and the parasites. So if you're inside of me, worm and parasites, this is coming for you right now.
and way to do it. It's just
So
a very
don't
last
run,
stage.
don't hide. Don't hide, I'm flushing you out. They are going to hunt you. Hold on, friends, we are coming out for you,
And their
hunt
distractions
you.
that would want you not to listen.
Right.
Just when you have to try
Yeah,
and
go along, cleanse and go hunt you.
do it. The only
That's what
ones
we're
who
gonna
can
do.
So yeah, man, so it's good to be back. You know, seeing the
only
area,
person
but the
who can
stuff
do
and
anything is you,
needed,
you
you know.
That's true. But that's a conversation they want to have because they can't have it.
You don't want us to talk to them.
Look at me, steal the lip.
So I mean this then for now.
And you would have to know.
For now.
Until
Until then.
the day the Guinness.
Alright guys, you know the thing go. So until then, you know the thing go. Yeah, contact
You want to give me
number
5,000
there.
years, I don't give them a
You know,
change,
reach
or when
out
pay me smart.
to all the herbal stuff then that you need. You know, I said love is. Liverpool want a team like this. What is so bad? Well. Bless the love, God. Bless the love. Welcome to another day. You know, the thing goes, there's nothing but love and love alone. You know, so guys, so yeah, man. So today is that day again. So we're gonna start off another baller roll. Guys, I need to head to Wharf as well to pick up a barrel that literally been sent before I left Jamaica. You know, from Vevo. So I need to head down there to pick up that before I start to do some other stuff as well too. You know, so you know we have a donation from one of the Sunrise family, you know, which is Pauline. You know, because she came and just like, you know, she see those dream team members that was really helping out and she wanted to give them you know, a drink and they can buy themselves a drink, you know, because you see they were putting in some work, you know, from the day before and everything. So thank you so much, Pauline, and everything. So, you know, God bless you and everything. Prefect is not here. Prefect is on the road, you know, so anything is a prefect going to put down to whenever he gets back, you know. So we're here with some of the members. Then we have Boom is here. Yeah. And we have Rasta Jaxi is here.
Yeah, every time, love every time.
Yeah.
More love, huh?
And we have 30 grand is here.
Yeah, man, 130 grand again, man. Big up on yourself, everybody, man. You see me, I say?
Yeah.
Man,
And we have Esther is here. Esther, who's this? We have Shayara. We have Shayara. Move on now, man. It's not killing, you know. So we have Shayara is here, guys, who's also my cousin. You know, I welcome her to the dream team, you know. She's very shy, you know, so we kind of broke her out. Yeah, get the double D party, you know. So this is Shayara. Her name is Shara. So let's call her Shayara. Yeah, because she's really shy. You know, Arius always been around giving her help whenever the help is there, is needed, you know. Who is a man, he's also an electrician, you know. Not only, but into others, right?
yeah, man.
See him have him electrical pen there, test everything. Yeah. And we have one wow here as well too, you know. So
You see, we're up on trial right now, whole per side by me, you know. Yeah, man. So when I left Chelsea, you know. Yeah, man. Serve, man. One love and blessing, you know.
That one colour you have on still, but that's
yeah, but you know, man, you see, for now, because Arsenal maybe for win a while ago.
Oh,
and them did it. Yeah, and them did it. So Sunday, a different thing, a full blow Sunday. Full blow Sunday. Yeah, man. Full blow Sunday, full blow. Just,
you're playing new side. I don't blame you.
I
don't blame you.
Alright, see that Liverpool man up on my side.
I know.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah.
Man, brother, man. Love, you know.
Alright, so we have 15 bills here for you.
Yeah,
from
man.
Pauline, from the Sunrise team.
Pauline from the Sunrise.
Pauline. Yeah.
Pauline.
blessed love, big up yourself, enough love, from my heart. Love for you, sunrise. Yeah, man, but next time, dentist come and take up my teeth, I don't want to take up my teeth still, but I still go. Blessed love,
Yeah, never happened.
Yeah, man, blessed love, because to me I work hard, this me I say.
Yeah.
Blessed love, Pauline. Love for you,
So, yes. So we thank you for the strength for your helping out as well to you, me. So that's a drink.
One love, give
15
thanks.
days there from Pali.
Thank you very much. From our heart. One love.
Blessed Pauline.
Shayara. Yeah, but that's not too much. Shayara. Alright, Shayara. Hey, we have Shayara here. We have 15 bills here for you from Pauline from the Sunrise team.
Thank you, Miss Pauline. May your food basket never run dry.
And guys, this is Mother Teresa daughter. Yeah, so this is Mother Teresa daughter right here. Esther, you have to go rub some WD-40 on her, yeah? It will come out still, slowly but surely. Right, Daniela? Yeah, Daniela, mommy. And that one over there, so. Hello, Miss Shakara. Come here. So this is Shakara, my other cousin. So we have cousin here. So we have cousin 1, cousin 2, cousin 3, and we have another cousin few. Really come outside still, So this is Shayara daughters, She's Shakara, Shy Shakara, this Esther here. So we have 15 years here for you from Miss Pauline from the Sunrise team. Pauline. The shortest one.
Thanks, Pauline, from the Sunrise team. I really appreciate it. Good love and keep it.
Yeah. Alright. And we have 130 grand. 15 bills there for you from Miss Pauline.
Yeah, man, Miss Pauline, man. Give thanks, man. See me, I say, and I really appreciate it, man. And make your basket never empty. You see me, I say, thank you very much.
Alright. Now we have 15 bills here for Boom himself, from Miss Pauline, from the Sunrise team.
Pauline from the Sunrise team, blessing and one love and thanks. Blessing.
Alright. And we have Rasta Jackson. Only movie star. We have 15 bills here for you as well too, from Miss Pauline, from the Sunrise team.
Miss Pauline, I love you every time. Give thanks and praise every time. More love. Big up yourself and big up the world around every time. More love, we say. One extended family. Yeah. Dream team. One team. Loving every time. Be a love. Thanks every time.
Yeah. Prefect is not here. The prefect shop lock up, so prefect is not about baby going on the road. We have one for Barney as well too. Come through Barney, Bob. So we have 15 bills here for you from Miss Pauline from the Sunrise team.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Pauline from the Sunrise team. Enough respect in my basket will never empty, God bless you.
Alright.
Respect you.
Yeah, man. So. Alright, guys. So we give thanks to Miss Pauline. I'm gonna say we got one here for Bibi and one for Prefect. The Prefect is on the road and Bibi just left and she gone on the road as well. So we give thanks, for the Sunrise team. We thank them so much, for the blessings, There's nothing but love and love alone. Driver, Pat, big up yourself, And the whole Sunrise team, the Kiwanis, big up the Kiwanis, them also, Eddie Wang, big up yourself, Tina and the whole team. Nothing but love and love alone, So guys, the journey will continue, it will never stop. It's only greatness ahead, nothing but love and love alone. Everything goes all the dream team, one team. Let's say love, guys. So let's stay tuned. Take on the road now for some more duty. Peace. The fence get smaller, man.
Yeah, man, the fence get smaller for real.
Jackson, you have to watch up yourself with your locks.
Yes,
guys, look how this fence gets small. Jesus Christ. And me no fat. So if you ever wait, can come through here, I tell you.
Come in, babies. Come through.
Evening. Yeah. Oh, chef could walk this belly I got black him. You know what? You could have washed with us all ago. Your belly like stop you. Wash your belly that stop him from coming through just now. So guys, I'm gonna drop off something here for Father for the Year and Shanet as well too, you know. So give them a donation. Yeah, so I got a donation as well too. And I got some stuff for them from the Sunrise team for the dad and also for Shanet, you know. And this is the legend yard Bob Marley original home where we used to live right over there. Peter Touch. We used to live at Peter Touch. Right over there. Body cat. Art love. One body cat.
One dream team, one team, you know.
Every time, you know, I think go.
Yeah, man, I don't know shit out there, man.
One father for the frightened. Oh, dig up the garden. Where's Shanet?
She's okay. Look on the pigeon, man.
Sean, 30 grand, come with them there. Wow, Father for the Year yard.
Yeah, man,
hello, Shanet. Hello. Oh, I'm going. You chop down some tree.
The freak storm, you know.
Oh,
take a 2 piece of limb from here.
Oh, the storm take it away?
Yeah.
Brown. Hello. Hello, Vin.
High five. I forgot to tell you this
High
one.
five.
My hands are wet.
Yeah.
I was washing my uniform.
Was washing a uniform?
No, my clothes. I forgot.
Oh.
Well, I washed those. I'm learning how to wash stuff.
That's
so
good.
I decided to respond for myself just like a lady does.
What? That's what you're doing?
Yeah.
Wow, that's so soon. So look, I wash. I wash.
I come and see a uniform on the line.
Are you washing uniform on the line?
Yeah, I started doing those stuff. So I was planning to iron my stuff.
Iron?
Yeah, my stuff.
Yeah. So you're gonna start ironing stuff now.
Yeah.
Be careful, mind the iron burn you though. You know that. Yes, that's it. Yeah. And she really love what you're doing because she's really passionate about it, right?
Yeah.
That's nice. That's nice. So soon you're gonna start washing for daddy. And daddy can't wash anymore. Wow.
Just like he's making his hands sick.
Yeah. Oh God.
No.
I brought some stuff for you.
Yeah,
I brought some stuff for you.
I was washing on my sick hand. It did pain me. It did strike me a little, but I didn't care.
Okay, so it's feeling better now?
Yeah. Someone actually made me trip. And they almost made my teeth fall out. Half of my teeth fell off.
Oh. Is it chip?
Huh?
No, it's not chip, right? Okay.
And soon I actually got angry, but I didn't hurt him.
You just leave them alone, right?
No, I didn't actually.
You didn't?
No.
What you did?
I went to the principal and told them.
Okay.
So the principal told me to slap him. But I didn't actually wanted to slap him though, because I think he did it on purpose. But I wasn't into things to fight.
No, so you forgive him, right? That's good. That's the best thing sometimes, just to forgive them, okay?
Yeah. He told me sorry, but I couldn't take a sorry.
Why not? He said sorry.
His sorry wasn't potential to me.
I get
He said sorry like he wasn't caring about it.
Sorry, like that. No,
Yeah.
something like that.
So you have to slap him then, right?
No, I didn't actually slap him.
You never slap him.
But I did step on his toe.
Okay. Yes, hey, Father for the Year.
Yeah.
But not like that, I know what you have on your hand right here, you know.
You know? Potential, man, you know?
Yeah, of course. So Shanet, so here's what I got this big bag here of stuff for you from the Sunrise team. The nurses them? Yeah, so this is from the Sunrise team right here.
To you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah.
I can hold it.
Of
So
course.
surprised. When I was like 6 years old, I couldn't hold anything.
I know you can hold that, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, thank you, Sunrise Steve. You'll shine brighter tomorrow.
Oh, so stuff in there where could fit also your sister Ven, okay?
That's nice.
Yes, so you share with your sister Ven, right? And also, all right, you can rest it down. You can rest it down.
I also learned something in science class. I don't think I'm supposed to share it because I think it's really inappropriate.
All right, so don't share it then, okay?
But
Don't
it's
share that
something
one.
about Nanny of the Maroon's death.
Okay.
You do know about Nanny of the Maroon's
Yeah,
death.
yeah.
I don't want to share it to any other kids
All
out
right,
there
then don't share it.
because it's pretty embarrassing to her, right?
Yeah, so don't
Yeah,
share
I
it.
wouldn't actually.
So I got some money for you then from
What kind of money is that?
Oh, this is I got the Canadian
Indian
money.
money?
No, Canadian. Remember I was in
Canada?
Canada? Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So I got $60 here for you from Karen.
60?
Yeah. From Karen from Canada.
I see 50.
And there's a 10 there, look.
$10.
Yeah.
It must be. Oh, she's so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Who's this? I'm actually jealous because they have hair.
Well, you have here as well too. So
Not long enough.
So tell Karen thank.
Thank you, Karen. This is actually really appreciating.
Yeah.
I used to wanted to visit USA, but I found out that was actually dangerous. So I wanted to visit Canada now.
Yeah, change your mind.
Yeah, I don't want to go to USA because someone at USA actually had an incident. But I don't want to share it to anyone because it's really gory.
So
It
don't
has
share.
a lot of blood.
So don't share it.
And I was actually terrified.
Don't share it then, right?
Yeah.
So thank Karen once more again from Canada.
Thank you. This is actually really appreciating. This could help me out a lot.
Yeah.
And Karen, I think you will be blessed because everyone's get blessed when they help out anyone.
That's it. Of course, that's it.
Yeah.
So Father for the year, I got your bag here as well for you from the Sunrise team. Also, so this is from the Sunrise team, the Father for the year.
Bless up the Sunrise team, you know. I'm meeting already, but we love an action and we love,
Yeah.
we love the vibes, and the vibes, happy vibes. You see it?
Yeah.
So, big up the Sunrise team, and may God bless them. You see me? So, I'm going to say this so though. I want to bring joy to my heart and tell me so over there, yeah? Yeah.
And big up Michelle as well.
Michelle as well. You ever seen the elderly one? Michelle.
Yeah.
Big up Michelle, see? And Michelle, why, you give wonder, is it?
Yes.
And give thanks.
Yes,
So
sir.
we get from the Sunrise team. So I appreciate it. Is it a lot?
Alright, then give thanks. So Father for the year, new thing go. Shanet,
Yeah, man.
see you next time, okay?
Oh,
High five, Ben.
Wait, don't go yet. I have something to say to Miss Mitch.
Yeah.
Miss Mitch, thank
Yeah,
you
yeah.
for giving me a grateful year at your house. And thank you for surprising me all the time. I love what you did for me. And we could be united together forever. Have a great day.
Alright, then that's awesome.
Bye.
Thank you, bye. Father for the year.
Man, I got respect, you know. Big up the whole of Dream Team, is it?
Yeah.
Dream Team forever.
Alright. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
So bless up.
Sunrise team, bless up on yourself. Yeah?
Alright. That is it.
Yeah.
Alright, so we give thanks. Yes, guys, so we give thanks to the Sunrise team. Thank you so much for blessing in the Father for you. And also Karen. You know, thank you so much also to Karen, you know, for the donation, you know, for Shanet. You know, it's nothing but love and love alone, you know. So yes, guys, I know everything goes already. The journey never stops. The journey always continue, you know. So it never stops. Body cat.
Yes, sir, brother. Oh, yes, sir.
Oh, good, man. We are Kansas Spring play Sunday.
We're not in the same group, man.
No, man, different group, man. Yes, guys, so you know, Jenna is also here. She's on the list as well too for $1,500 from Miss Pauline from the Sunrise team. So it's 1500 for you from Miss Pauline.
Thank you, Miss Pauline from the Sunrise team. Love and love only. May the good Lord bless you. Keep us safe. Thank you very much.
Alright. So that's all from Miss Pauline. So big up. So we have for Bibi and also for Prefect. You know, I know the thing goes already. So we have to make it straight a long way. You know, so alright, Bibi. So Bibi is here. So we also 1500 here for you from Miss Pauline from the Sunrise team as well too.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Pauline and the Sunrise team. Your food basket never empty. Blessings. Big up all the dream team. One team. Thank you very much.
Alright then, big thanks. So guys, so we have one more left for the prefect. So the prefect is not here yet. So whenever I'm arrive, he will touch down. So anyway thing goes. So bless and love. Well guys, good morning. Well, I'm here at the wharf. This wharf is down by on the terrace, you know, off Marcus Garvey Drive, down by the bottom of Tivoli Gardens, you know, in between Marcus Garvey Drive and the terrace, which is down by Tivoli. So trust me, driving here, the amount of traffic I see, the amount of cars outside, you know, and the amount of cars inside, this place is really busy, you know, because there's so many people sending barrels back home because of the relief, you know, of the disaster of Hurricane Melissa, and because of the, I think the wharf down, I think Montego Bay is kind of closed down for receiving any barrels or anything at all. So it kind of leave the place congested down in Kingston area. So, you know, everybody coming from near and far to get their stuff, you know, and the way I see it, hey, trust me, it's not looking good at all. So I know it's gonna be a long day here for me, you know. But you know the thing going in Jamaica, you know, most can find a link. There's always link. So I'm gonna see who I know and anybody who know me. See if I can get a quick way through. I can get a quick way through, because otherwise, trust me, it's gonna be a mad traffic, a mad packing here today. You know, look at the cars in here on this side, and we'll show you the cars out here on the outside. We'll show you how I'm going. So as you can see, cars line up out here. From all the way up the road, there's the cars line up. To all the way down there, here cars. So the thing is congested today, you know. So boy, so you know the thing goes. I'm in for it, but today I have to show my skills, you know, to see how I can get out of this place. Not soon, not too possible. Even if I have a drive-in where you can pick up as well, even the line to come and pick up. So that's how early people been here as well too. So the driving line to pick up is so hectic, and plus, so that's the driving line over there. Where you see that white vehicle, you know, that line there, everyone is driving in from there to go inside to go pick up. And just look at that line, slowly but surely, you know. And my day is just a start. So people say, it seems like people been here from 5 o'clock in the morning. Oh, it's over here. It's like people have been here from 5 o'clock in the morning, you know. Morning. Furtado. Thank you.
Come in the front now. I'm head over to
How are you anyway?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
I'm 1'1".
You're 7'1".
No, man, I'm 6'2".
You're not 6'2".
This got inches on it, so.
You're not 6'2".
I am.
No.
How tall do you think I am?
Maybe 6. I'm 5'5".
Exactly. So, yeah, 6'2".
Okay.
6'2". 6'2". Oh, lads, get her. Come collect the one of the barrels, them. So you get the thing, them. Them out and start place.
You need to come dine at my place, Coffee Malibu, them there.
Which one?
35, yeah?
What them do down there?
35. Ah, 9,000. Where you name again? Sure one.
That's for the world.
Anissa one there.
What them do down there?
May I go back feed, man?
What them do down there? For that food?
She menu, yeah, man.
So you can come deliver some to me?
Salad and, yeah, man.
The place is busy.
We are here, Shanet.
Oh God, when I like in here is busy. I'm telling you, this place is really busy. There's so many people sending off barrels and stuff, you know. But guess what? Everything goes already, so I'm getting feeling looked after because people that work here, you know, saw me and recognized me as well too. And the first thing one of the man said, hey, go on, Canada. Wow, and he was working with the customer as well too. So when he said that, it was a gateway for me, you know. So right to him say, yo, deal with that youth, I tell him I do a whole for good thing. Deal with him. And once he said that, I'm like, alright, I'm good, you know, because he was working with the custom officer. And he was like to her, deal with that youth, I do good things, I'm just come from Canada and send off whole. See me, I'm a general, walk on. General.
Just stay right here, sir. It's going to come with your stay right here, sir.
But you must know.
Stay right in here.
Yeah, not doing this, sir.
Stay right in here, right.
Come. You're not just going to stay here, sir.
Alright then. Alright then, him say must go and stay right there, so. Alright then, him say must go and stay right there, so. See? Blessing me. It's good with you, so you do good in life, good shall return. Same say go and stay right there, so. I will get looked after. So, I'm not sitting in the crowd, I'm one away. Big up yourself. Right. That's really cool. Moving on. Are you hear a song that? Eh? Oh.
Not far away. All in place, I open my eyes. I'm gonna show.
Alright guys, so I got through. No, I have one already. But there's the links to it all, you know. Forward, yeah? In Island. Okay. Yeah guys, so I got through. I'm saying when someone knows you can get through early. Good thing when someone knows you can get through early. So that's what made me get through early today, you know. Really early. I will give thanks. Big up to the staff them who helped me out. Big up to the staffs. You know, so now I'm gonna get the vehicle. Well, I have to get a taxi. Get a vehicle to bring me up because you know my vehicle cannot hold a barrel. So I have to get a vehicle to bring it in. So let me see who can I use to bring it in.
Push it.
Alright guys, yeah, I just reached back here in Trenchtown and the headquarters. Here's the barrel, got some rice and things. You know, not rice and stuff, rice and things. You know, I got some too, so.
But I think name the pandemic as well.
Remember should I tell me what you?
Oh, the lady with the call, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, Morel?
Yeah. Two more there. Alright guys, as I mentioned before, you know, this barrel with this stuff sent before I left for Canada. So while I was in Canada it already reached. So I just picked it up, you know, so this is the one that they sent me. Natural Schooler man. And it's coming from New York, you know, so once I let me get the name clearly. I'm in shoes there. That's here. Oh, chef. Oh, shit. I don't want to. Oh, chef. I'm going to fall him too.
One size fit all.
One size fit all. Yeah, them shoes are bossy. Which one? These, oh, I can tell about the empty town. Yeah, some bag in there still. Tilt this away. I thought you were going to find the work, see me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, when I say my work?
I'm driving up the ride. I don't know what I'm trying to
You come on. Rose. Ah! One rose. I want to put you in this barrel. I want to ship you off.
You know, so me get 3 barrels a day, but them empty.
Empty? From where?
Foreign.
From foreign?
Yes.
Far in. We're in.
Yeah.
So it's far. You want another one that's empty? Make it 4.
I have enough.
You want to make it 4?
Yeah.
Are you coming to IT?
Oh man, you rang up.
You rang up. No, you rang up. You're not coming to IT. No. I'm coming to Peaches. Yeah.
So what go on, teacher?
Yeah, man.
Up on the ground, you know.
Yeah.
Hurricane, if there's a year of Molisa going with.
But you should come check. Now you're ex.
Oh, next.
Are you next? Me here says next Rose. Me I hear say I heard those Rose girl pass through. I'm like, I see that peep through the window. When you and Peaches the inside. Oh, that's just come and blew off the house top them because she can't bother with the peeping. So right now she just reached anyone with more space there. So we
run a yonder, I'm going.
Run a yonder. Now go up a yonder. Yeah, go run a yonder, I go up a yonder.
Medicine.
Eh?
Medicine.
Run a yonder. Okay.
Eh? Every song if you get.
The good about the girl them, we love them. Have to get one of them.
Another song.
Another song then.
Fresh song, you know, but we can't remember them.
So much of them? Alive.
Too much song, but we can't remember.
Are the bun for bun? Are the bun for run?
No, me have that panty.
Okay. Carona gone, you know. So the Carona one day.
How be the song, yeah? I can't remember.
And a few piece.
A latest song, man.
Melissa? Cause she the latest. Hello. You okay? Melissa?
Yes, I deal with the matter.
Yeah. Yeah. If not remember, he forgets. Esther the key. Yeah, still I think. And the girl, come here, Jackson. One naturals, that one that looks strong. Okay. That one that looks strong. We on the exclusive Esther Rooftop where the smoothie bar is going to be. The chill out spot. Guys, this is going to be this chill out spot in time to come, you know. So whenever you come here, Esther is going to have the, over here is going to be the smoothie spot. You have anything you want to have to drink. Any smoothie, cocktail, ducktail, any tail you want. You get over here, I'll pigtail too. You know, so here's a lounge where you can come and sit down. You're gonna sit down here at the lounge side, sit, and you get the view of the whole of Trenchtown from here. You know, you can see all the sea from here, all the way over there. You know, this will be the view. So this, in time to come and finish, trust me. Any smoothie you want, anything you want, to come up here, come get it, come chill out and all the vibes. So when the nurse them come back, this will be their spot next time. You know, so see their work in progress. Work in progress. As you can see, everything here is getting started out right now. You know, so these stuff was sent before, shipped before I left Jamaica, before even Melissa and stuff. So, you know, so what we're gonna really do, you know, there's names that owe to get some, and then after now we're gonna put aside whatever after we dish out whatever that's left. We're gonna literally put them together as well too. Whenever we're going into the countryside to give aid, we're gonna also give them some stuff also from it, you know. So that is also the plan as well too, you know. So we're gonna give some of this stuff to whoever we need as well too in the countryside after we already do what we're doing and give who should get what they get in. You know, so that's what's gonna happen, guys. So we have to give thanks to Viv, you know. Viv says Viv from Brooklyn, New York. Okay. Yes, guys, you know, it's Viv from Brooklyn, New York, you know, so we're gonna start these things out now. And I'm gonna say there's names that who meant to get stuffs, you know, so whenever we give what they should get, we're gonna also give some of the stuff them to give here to the countryside. Whenever we're going down there, we can bring some of these stuff also to give back, you know, for whoever we need, who's been affected by the Hurricane Melissa that passed through the other day, you know. So we're gonna start this out, so stay tuned and watch what's happening, you know, so you know what I want, everything is transparent. So watch this. Come Shayara, come Shayara, come.
Will you start to vend then?
One fan, I don't know for the bag this one.
Start to vend.
How much of them bag do we have?
One them bag. Start to vend.
Share set again. They're matching.
What they mix?
They mix?
Yes. Settle that so. What is a black tight suit of you? And I'm wearing one. That are tight.
They're tight. It's a woman thing. Yeah, Shaw
it's a
said
man.
them.
It's a man too. It's a man. It's a man. Oh. Give me a man. If I white, man, have to
Check it, yes, I have to check it.
your shirt in this.
Oh, this is the bag with the shirt.
Okay.
This is the bag with the shirt. So,
This one. Yeah.
Shaw said. Sorry if I anything to fit you?
No.
And she said them slippers are unisex, you know, so. And then now.
The man tap them countless. Them are man tap.
The man shirt.
Run out of town.
Hi.
Twice, man. We actually live in New York, you know.
Hey, God.
Yeah, man. Proper man, you know. Get a one slippers now and I eat that, you know.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, man.
Video?
Yeah, man.
Them boys up here.
Which one you do that? Which one of them do that? The one of my said size jeans.
I don't know. You want to be the same size?
No.
Eh?
See a giant foot baby have.
Them make you fit her then.
Giant foot baby. You need quite some. So I want to look like right and all.
I'm going to see him side, Angela. Yeah, say it.
So look how them look like that. Like,
Oh,
let's
yeah.
right foot down.
Straight foot them. Yeah, straight foot.
Man, it's a fitting.
Mr. G, look like
So good so far. So Jackson, so far we can thank Viv.
Yeah, Viv
from Brooklyn, New York.
Viv from Brooklyn, New York. Love every time.
With your bag.
Yeah. Yeah, New York. Yeah, Brooklyn, New York. Yeah, we love you every time. Give thanks and feel every time. That's why bless and keep and guide every time. Give thanks and feel every time. More than love you. One team.
Dream team. Yeah, love man. See that? See that gift? Look a bag, look a stash, look a bag, you know what I say, you see? Look a slippers, I'm fresh up, look a more, I just come out, you know? You see me, I say, Viv, thank you very much, you know? My art, you know, New York twice. Love one, you know, I know two art already, you know? See, there are two number, 23 and 22. You know? I hate man, Viv, man. Love you very much, you know?
Yeah, man. Self-loving and thanks for things, I mean,
Too sharp, Vijela.
What is that?
Viv.
Viv. Blessed and one love and thanks, yeah, thanks and blessed and love. One team, dream, blessed.
Jonathan, take a best of them.
Vivian, man full up, all the love, yeah?
All full up.
All full up. Yeah, all for love, yeah, I'm going to be there now and you see me, a different beat, you see?
Yes.
Thank you, yeah, Vivian, all for love, all for thanks. May the Lord bless you. Food basket never empty. Love and love only.
Round about, where's your package?
Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. Look back here on thanks and big up yourself. Name?
It's Viv.
Viv from New York. Yeah. Big up yourself, you know, and thanks, you know. You don't know the thing said. Always the food basket will never empty. I'm sending something out all the time. The dream team, one team.
Yeah.
Dream team.
So we still have some more stuff here we are run through. As I say, some of these stuff is going to go to the countryside to help out the people them that's in need of clothes that lose so much. You know, so this is definitely what we're going to do. So we're going to put some stuff away for some of the members them as well too. Them are organized stuff so Billy can get something. Oh, and a t-shirt.
I must tight.
Oh, yeah. The netty.
Short tights, right?
Yeah, find something for netty.
One shot. One of them coloring are to come. Color?
Yeah. Come here, come thank Viv from Brooklyn, New York. Come here, wake up yourself.
Where's it again?
Thank Viv from Brooklyn, New York. Auntie Viv.
Thank you, Auntie Viv from New York, Brooklyn.
Look in the camera and stop. Zoom to yourself.
Say it again, sorry. My name is so good, sorry.
Yeah, so thank you, Auntie Viv from Brooklyn, New York.
Thank you, Auntie Viv from Brooklyn, New York.
Yeah. So where's your bag? You bring them over? Where are stuff then? Here.
See there.
You know, pick out 2 top film.
Yeah.
Larger. So here's the stuff. So this can't fit there? Can't fit there?
I don't mind that. I mind.
Yeah. Put bigger than that?
No, I never see nothing.
Try it. Try it out. Put it
Yeah,
very
I'm
big.
clean, but that's weird.
Let me say for clean.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, bag. Yes.
Okay, walk, come on.
Look at it and that's more shirt. Smaller one.
The next foot done.
So I put a step them in. No. Go in the Natisha and check Esther in the office. What's that guy? Something small. Nourish.
Take out the foot and walk the lace.
Well, lace not pull it, man. Lace not pull it.
Yo, you never go out with this. Our foot are flying.
Yeah, man, because you know you're Billy. You know, use Billy. Put the Billy in there. You put the kerchief on there. Jeez, I'm crying, little girl. Where them foot that go?
Never say it running at the family.
Running at the family?
No force your foot in.
Where
no
to them?
force it. See there. If you gone down.
Oh no, no, go fit her. Daniela.
Fit aside.
That's a picture, Cara?
Yeah, picture her.
So you can make your sister get it then. Oh my.
Tell your sister.
Yeah, so give it to your sister then, right?
Tell her it.
So to thank Viv, so tell her it can't fit but you give it to your sister.
What is it?
Tell her it can't fit but you give it to your sister.
The shoes can't fit me, but I'm going to get you my sister.
So thank you, Viv, you know, see me.
Thank you, Auntie Viv.
This can't hurt.
Mama, shame.
Yeah.
You like this? Can we just show?
I'm to them one them there, so. Them one there. Let me fit her.
Try on this.
Come, I'm try it.
Can just look on her foot and know the things that we are going to fit her.
Because your foot long.
Yeah, her foot long.
Pass the tape back, you know. The bag.
Very long.
Yeah, very long.
This? It's a suit. It's a suit.
Result, baby. How size they wear?
Size.
Slippers they can fit you? You know your size. Don't know her size. We'll get one bag so we bring it down to you.
You know my size.
You fit you? See that?
I walk up the parade, one size with all.
You can't put in a bag, you have to put in a bag to push. Long time.
We are walking today.
That's not fit her. Yeah, take out the insole.
The insole of an eel.
Exact. Wear it every day.
Exact?
Yeah.
Let's see. I don't know, that I can squeeze.
Yeah.
Try one of these? Try this. Try that.
We tried. We tried.
It's in the, it runs in the family. Don't worry, it runs in the family, Daniela. What about this?
No, that's
Because I want to stretch it.
But that's mine. I don't want to just.
That looks like a different time.
But now go down. Oh,
All of them
nice.
I want to feel nice?
Yeah.
But you guys can pull up our foot like that.
But don't pull up my foot.
No, that one is good. That one is good for you. That one I want to feel nice. That one is good for you. Yeah, alright. Damn, please don't grow no foot no more, cause yeah.
Fertilizer and put on a foot.
Well, she was getting so tired, guys. She literally reached my height very soon, you know. Remember, it's in the family, you know, so she's gonna come. Splash it down, see? You see? Look where she is. Tell them how old are you?
12 years old.
12. So if she's 12 and she's on my shoulder already, then I always say, Kine Tali. Just imagine she was 12 and on my shoulder already. Woo! Size one. Size the Joe, you know. Joe small, you know.
I see me have one for Joe. It's a good one if I get you.
Yeah, it's that.
Thank you very much, Miss
Viv.
Viv.
Yeah.
I like the shoes. Yeah.
That's worky shoes.
Yeah.
Right to work. I want to fit your needs still.
Yeah, tell you.
They look like you have nothing on your feet, you know.
Yeah, match your color.
Yeah, match your color.
One of the color there too? Yeah. I like it. I see him. I see him size.
It's cute.
Cute.
Wallet.
Yeah, me wallet.
Wallet, so. This is my unique look. This is my new unique look from Viv's Akeynote. You're gonna wrap it around. So I'm going to boom. Also?
Wrap around the back part.
Can we wear it so though? Like a, that never. But yeah, where you can go so. So. And so too.
Yeah, so.
Yeah. How me look?
That look nice.
Yeah, how me look? How me look, Shara? Joe? No, she send them for me now. I mean, she send them one for. Yeah, let me see. Let me see what I go on, Viv. Let me see what I go on. Let me see for myself. Let me see if it.
They look good.
I'm gonna fix this good, because I come like a show, I can't even see good why.
Anyway, fit.
Hold on now, Daniela. Hold on there.
Sure.
Hold on, let me see what I want. What them blowing something here?
Them something drop down.
Them for drop down though.
Drop down.
Them for
drop down. Yeah, for drop down, like style.
Okay, like style.
You take a party?
Was it never full in my face?
Enough for fun on my face though, eh?
One color?
No, she give me three different color I get.
To drop down somewhere, yeah.
Say for drop down, like
Enough in my face. Drop it more, enough in my face.
Drop more? Alright, so my cousin now fix me, so she said nothing on my face. Like so, fix me down here, fix me down here, fix me.
My boy had it.
No. You look something for fine.
Eh?
So?
You look something for fine.
So find out tight, all the tight that can fit fine.
Ja! No, I'm not Ja. I'm not Ja, another Arab. And no job over there, in Dubai. So.
The little crack when I tell you about them being a
What Jella one? Hey, Jella. The Jella one, yeah. So Jella one fit right. And my one fit unusual. So this. I just put it on for one day and say, yeah man, I made this for the day, guys. Tell them I want to think. Yeah. Anyway, we beat it. Alright, see the guys. Anyway, any weather, any sun, any moon, any stars. No.
So I said, the new one, them the
yeah. So the Buster style then. Well, blessed love guys. Check out Akeynote you wear. You know. Big up yourself, Viv. Thief! Jella said she hold me and take it away from me, Jella.
Yeah, practice with this. I'm saying no way we not that in a genius.
Yeah, take it.
Hold it in a bit. Don't do it.
Don't do it. Where's the cause? It fit me?
You don't fix them good, make it look like it don't fit your body.
Yeah, gotta fix it, man.
Have to fix them good, man.
I'm gonna come out tonight properly tomorrow. Yeah.
Drop them down.
Drop it down. So when I come out tonight properly tomorrow, yeah. Yeah, guys, so I do. Some of them pushing down. So they just take them out, let them drop out and everything. Jeez. Good. New style can't spoil. See me now, my style when you see me shock out, I know. Jack to say, yeah, it's up. Jack to say, it's up, it's up. You know? Just like that. Dubai, you don't tell no lie. Dubai, where they ain't telling no lie.
That big.
So guys, let me say, we have some stuff put away for the countryside. Yeah.
Goodbye. Don't say bye-bye.
Come thank Viv Natish.
Viv, thank you very much.
Viv,
May food basket never run dry. Love and love alone, Viv.
Yeah.
Viv, my two daughters, them two tight suits, a blessing and one love. Blessing.
Shayara. Daniela, you mean Daniel, set her up.
Set up.
Come Shayara, come thank Viv.
I keep a set up. Thank you, Viv, for the token from my daughter Daniela and for the dream team members. No.
Some to you.
And every day my suit.
And for
and
you.
Every day my suit. No.
Some come Shayara. Shayara.
And for me as well.
Hey, Shayara, guys, don't worry, man. She will get used to it. You know, the shy will come out one day.
Jella, this can fit her?
Leave Jella alone now. Jella wear them there.
Whoa! Whoa, look what I got from my top.
Yeah, man. I said for though.
Yeah.
Oh, I like it, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Swear, you know?
Yeah.
Catch me some coffee, you know? Yeah, man, for real, man.
And Los Angeles, what she put on the clothes straight away and they go beard.
I'm not beard, I'm just show everything what I want. Say, no, so look more height, you know? I'm done being a them, I come on and look more, so.
Yeah.
Twice at this.
But you have it on already when you're dirty, so where you put on back when you're beard?
I have my next shirt, you know? I have my next shirt, yo. I eat, man. So I fresh up and come back home, man. No worries, man. I just get a preview.
Yeah.
Like your tongue.
You like your tongue, like your tongue.
Your tongue no bad like mine.
Yeah, man, just.
I ain't no bad like, well, Jella one bad.
Two of the body's tongue.
Yeah. And Jella one. Jack say, where you one there? Boom, I boom one there. You see the Toms them. You see which Toms are lead. Let me see the leading Toms.
I want a brown one.
Boom, you want to lead?
All the time them will lead, step forward.
Yeah.
You see it in front of you, see there?
If I want like Jella when you flick it out, we'll see it, man.
Put on your thing to bleed, man. I'm going to come in. What? Yellow, blue.
Loaded over there.
No, I want like boom on you.
Alright. Finger lock. I mean Jackson. Aye. Come out to them yellow.
Yeah.
Aye.
Yeah.
Aye Jackson, see there?
Yeah, up front.
Up front.
Yeah.
That match everything for you. Red, green and gold. See there, they are the one team have the same yellow.
Yeah.
All the one team got the same.
Natisha, what you say? Natisha, where you say? Not like crazy, you know.
Hey.
Yeah.
Brand new.
Yeah.
Is it Jedi coming up brand new?
Brand new, as I go up, I got beard and put on. I put on my bed and say, eeny, miny, mo. So anyone ever put on first.
Catch your puppy by the. So, I walk on the bed. Boom. You see your what? Aye. And Chelsea color that, you know.
Yeah, man.
Chelsea blue that, you know.
Black man. That's the black man.
Yeah, Chelsea blue. And my one does sit by me like the real Arab them. All I need is a camel right now.
Yeah, man.
You know, I need a camel.
Yeah, man.
Right up on 3rd Street in a trench town, you know. The camel them. Put on this tomorrow back and I really match it tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm come out.
Yeah,
them turn out. Fix them one by one. Them come right out like them at all.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
I think I hear that go on it like that.
Don't it? You know, the New Year style. Style. Chaos.
Shopping bag.
Alright, so we have some shoes and some things for the countryside, right?
The mirror, this have Smiley and Rashida. Countryside.
Eh? Bibi. Alright, this is Bibi bag right here.
Smiley and this have Rashida.
And we have 2 bag of rice we're gonna share for the team. And next 2 bag I got help put towards the countryside as well too. So boom, take up 2 bag of rice there, so to share amongst each other. Oh, one of us, so take up 1 more from there, boom. Countryside, yeah, it's the country as well. These are our country. Country. Yeah, man, so guys, so these is all we see. We're going to put as well to bring down country, and plus we have some more stuff in the room as well, in the storeroom. You can go over there. And the containers arrive as well too, you know, with most of the stuff them as well, so that's gonna also head down there from the Kiwani and the Sunrise team. Yeah. them in the storeroom. Well, I hope we're done well. We choose something for you.
Okay.
From Viv, from Brooklyn, New York. From Viv from Brooklyn, New York.
Viv from Brooklyn, New York. Thank you very much for this package. If you basket never empty. Big up all the extended family. Big up Dream Team. One team.
Alright. So know if the size right, check it. Because them yesterday pick out right for you. So let me see what I want. Let me see the especially the slippers. I tell Jella said can't fit. Jella said no man, people put a giant, you know. Jella said can't fit you. You say Jella tell lie. Jella say you put bigger than that.
Jella. That's why then I always
Jella said no, can't fit me. I put bigger than that. It's a tight suit.
Esther.
Yeah.
Esther who?
Esther and Shara the daddy and Jella.
Oh, them a pick right.
And pick right.
Yeah.
And say yeah man, let me fit baby. Alright.
They know the right size.
They know the right size.
They know the right size.
Alright, so we never wrong.
So thank you very much again,
Viv.
Viv.
Yeah.
From New York.
Yeah.
Blessings.
Alright. Papa! They get some now? You say if him kind. Give me some. I gotta get empty bag. You can't give me empty bag, give me that. No? Give me that. Oh.
One piece of silver.
Oh yeah, Rashida here. So we're gonna thank we got a bag here for you as you can see. I hope the slippers is your size. Are your size? You tried?
It looks like my size.
Enough look like.
You never try.
Try.
This is my legacy.
Yeah. And this is coming from Vim. Are your size?
No.
They know what I'm going.
Put it down for tight.
Yes. Yeah. And that's Viv from Brooklyn, New York.
From Brooklyn, New York.
Viv, yeah.
Viv. Hello, Viv. Thank you. Everyone will go in my back and tell them it's my legacy. Big up yourself and I hope your food basket never go empty. Thank you.
Nice. And we have one package for Smiley as well too, so I don't know where she is.
I don't know which direction she can. You can walk out here.
Alright, 30 grand. Yeah. Pick up this. That is for you.
Right. And the beer for who?
From Viv from Brooklyn.
Yeah man, Viv from Brooklyn. Yeah man, give a thanks man and well appreciate it. You see me I say Viv? Yeah man. You're helping out a well good deed. You see me I say?
You can check and see what go on inside.
Yeah, for the extended family and the team. Yeah man, give a thanks man. You see me I say? Yeah man, it's a good look man.
Short sets.
Yeah man, you don't have to pull out nothing man, just make it stay man. Yeah man.
Yeah
man, and thanks again and big. Yeah man, and big up yourself yeah man, and never make your food basket empty man. You see me I say 130 grand I'm out.
Yeah. Yeah man, a lot of the things then.
Yeah man, I'll tell you man, I tell you I put them there for a lot of trouble.
Smile them. Come thank Viv from Brooklyn, New York.
Viv from Brooklyn, New York. Thank you very much. I very much appreciate everything that you have done. Now your food basket never empty. Thanks again.
Yeah. Alright, so you got your stuff them already, right?
Yeah, we'll give thanks.
Viv.
Always Viv. And may food basket be filled.
Yeah.
Table be blessed. Always.
Alright, so we give thanks.
Yeah, man, I eat man sit there because I have rice I show you the people them right now. So if a 2 or 3 pounds can help them out in a night or tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, because it's still a save a gap, you know. Yeah, man, Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth. Enough love, you know.
Yeah, but soon we're coming.
Coming.
Alright, so blessed love big. So we give thanks and we thank you so much. You know, really make it work. Huh?
No, we don't have no manners.
You don't have?
We tell the people them thanks to the baby.
For the baby?
We never remember. But then name again.
Ava. You get something from Esther for Ava, right?
Ava, thank you so very much. You and your team. May God bless you all. May your food basket never run dry. Love and love and respect.
Alright, so that's also from Ava. You know, that is Ava from Sunrise. You know, Ava from the Kiwanis, from Miramar. You know, also part of the Sunrise team also. and the Kiwanis them. So blessed love, you know. So we keep on touching life, you know. We keep on showing compassion, and we keep on showing love. You know, that is the way forward, and that is it. You know, just love, empathy. And we keep on moving short, more compassion. That's it. Love and love and love. That's how we're interested in love. If you don't have love, don't come around. You see me? We have that barrier. We have that shield to ease off negative and keep them away. We're not into it. We're not dwelling into that. We're into the positivity. Or we're into the love. You know, we're into change. You know, we're into the togetherness. You know, we can move mountain. As I would say, united we stand and divided we fall. So we're not in the falling thing. We're in the rising thing. So we go forward ever and backward never. You know, help one up. Don't put them down. You know. As I said, don't make someone else karma becomes your karma. You understand? So we all wish them well. Nothing but love and love alone. Pick up yourself, Max. Pick up yourself in New York. You know, you think, oh, Jersey. Pick up yourself, Max. You know, you think, you know yourself. You know, it's nothing but love and love, guys. So, as I say, we put the stuff them aside, you know, and the container, I think it's in the process of getting cleared and everything. So we have some stuff, literally we're going to make sure, so we bring them to the countryside also from the Kiwanis and the Sunrise team that put together a big party for, you know, so we're going to split in different areas and everything, so we're going to make sure so the focus is there, you know, because we know the need is more back that way than this way, you know, so we're going to find our interest there. And guys, if you're interested in donating, we're helping with relief supplies, you know, you can also contact me, or anyway you can contact me, you know, we got GoFundMe, you know, we got Zelle, we got Cash App, you know, MoneyGram, Western Union, anything you can do, we appreciate it, you know, so we give thanks. So this is time now to focus down there, but yes, guys, and you know the thing, but nothing but love and love alone. Dream team, one team, we're on the journey, we never stop, never stop. Peace.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.